the sacrifices I've done for you. They all turn to dust now, and they're everywhere. Your heart is a stone and your soul is cold. I'm burning your pictures out of my world.
Classified as alleged certainty. The lyrics "Your heart's a stone and your soul is cold" is obviously impossible to happen. This may seem like common sense because we all know that heart cannot become a stone and mostly our soul don't have temperature.
I feel the air that I'm breathing. I can't explain this feeling that I'm feeling. I won't go another day without you.
Is classified as appeal to pity. The man here is pleasing his girl to come back by explaining how hard to wake up every morning without her company.
God is greater, our God is stronger. God, you are higher than any other. Our God is healer, awesome in power. Our God, our God.
Song is classified as appeal to authority. According to the Bible, God is healer, stronger, and powerful. That's why some of us, especially the religious one, believes that God is the King of Kings because Bible says so.
You stop the room when we walk in. The spotlight's on, everybody's staring. Tell all of these boys that wasting their time, stop standing in line, 'cause you're all mine.
Is classified as non-support. The lyrics "You stop the room when we walk in" is the conclusion and it don't have the connection with the premises like spotlights on everybody staring. Tell these boys they wasting their time.
I love you, puppy. I love you, puppy. I love you, love you, love you, puppy. I love you, puppy. I love you, love you, love you, puppy. I love you, puppy. I love you, love you, love you, puppy. Yeah, that's my puppy. I love you, love you.
Song is classified as style over substance, which means senseless song. The lyrics "I love you, puppy" is repeated for so many times, but it doesn't show any meaning. The word itself, "love you, puppy," is not found in the dictionary. Maybe it's just a form of expression.